Once you've digitized the PVT samples inside of your PVT report, we can actually go ahead and look at the data itself. Let's say we want to go into the vulva data set and we want to look at the PVT sample summary here. Then we can actually navigate to the PVT samples overview by either clicking this arrow key here or clicking where it says PVT samples on the left side panel. If we use the arrow key here, we're going to be taken to the overview for this specific region. And what you're met with here is an overview of all the wells that are in this region. If you click on one of these wells, then you're going to get a drop down of all the samples that are inside of that well, and that's highlighted by the fact that the shading is slightly darker. So you have the well name here, and all of these samples with their sample names are inside of this specific well here. And you have some top level information about the sample here on the right, like which field it's from, what type of sample it is, if it has any PVT experimental data, and what fluid type it has been identified as. You also have an overview of the quality checks that have been run on those specific samples, and you can actually use these buttons to click in and go on and look at the QCs for that specific sample. All right, then it's just go ahead and play around and try to look at some of the samples by clicking on them.